Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the main jet on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 5/16" nut driver and a 1/2" wrench. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. For easier access, we recommend detaching the air filter base first. To do this, use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the air filter cover. Remove the cover and the air filter. Then unthread the screws securing the filter base. Pull the choke lever off so you can move the base out of the way. Now use the 1/2" wrench to unthread the old main jet from the bottom of the carburetor bowl. To prepare the new main jet for installation, transfer the sealing washer from the old jet to the new one. Confirm the carburetor bowl gasket is fully seated, and reposition the bowl if necessary. Then thread and tighten the new jet. Insert the 2 mounting screws through the base. Then align the base and thread the screws into the carburetor. Replace the choke lever. With the pre-cleaner positioned in the cover, followed by the air filter with its rubber gasket facing outward, align the cover on the base and secure it with the screws.